What's up, YouTube? Welcome to JMax Amateur Kitchen, and today we are making the best margarita recipes ever! Camera girl's not here today, so we got Cam J filling in on the camera. Say what's up? What's up? And so today we are doing 3 of the best margarita recipes. Count them, 1, 2, 3. We got the original margarita done right. We got a spicy jalapeno margarita. And last, we got a refreshing cucumber margarita. All to celebrate. I don't get it. Cinco De Mayo. Oh. Yeah. Okay, let's make this thing. All right, the key to the best margaritas is fresh lime juice. So we're gonna squeeze this. Make sure half of it squirts all over your counter. Next, let's make a little agave simple syrup. We're gonna just do half agave, half water. So let's just do 2 ounces of syrup, 2 ounces of water. Give that a swirly. Agave simple syrup. Let's build our cocktail. All right, we're gonna take a lime wedge and we're just gonna rub that around the rim of our glass. And we're gonna flip that over and dip it into our salt. These are gonna be on the rocks, so throw your ice in there. Technically, this is on the rock, but nobody likes a smart ass. Bar view! So, we're gonna add some ice to our shaker, and we're gonna start off with a Blanco Tequila. Now, I don't care what brand you buy, but make sure that it's 100% agave. Make sure. 2 ounces of Blanco Tequila. 1 ounce of our fresh lime juice. Half an ounce of our agave syrup. And half an ounce of orange liqueur. Now you can also use Cointreau or triple sec, but we're using Grand Marnier. Now shake this for 30 seconds in the weirdest way possible. And pour that into our glass. And garnish with a lime. And that's the classic margarita. Mmm. Oh, it's so good. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Ooh. All right, let's make the spicy one now. Start off by straining your jalapeno infused tequila. To see how we made this, we're gonna have to go back in time 24 hours. Clock wind back special effect. This is it. All right, cut up your jalapenos. Put those in your mason jar. We're gonna add 1.5 cups of tequila. Shake it for 30 seconds and leave it for at least 2 hours, up to 2 days, depending on how spicy you like it. Thanks yesterday, J-Mac. You got it, buddy. Let me know if you need anything else. Nope, never again. Let's build this cocktail. Instead of using salt, this time we're using Tajin. Tajin. We're using this. Rim your glass with lime again and dip it in the Tajin. Ice. 2 ounces of our jalapeno infused tequila. 1 ounce of lime juice. This time we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of agave syrup to balance out the spicy, and half an ounce of Grand Marnier. Imagine me shaking that weirdly for 30 seconds. Let's pour this thing. And garnish with the jalapeno and a lime. And that's the spicy margarita. Woo-wee! That is delightful. All right, and last and certainly least, we have our refreshing cucumber margarita. Let's get started. Start by undressing a cucumber. Dice up your cucumber into smaller pieces. Add to your blender. Blend. Adjust. Blend. Strain. And add a pinch of salt to our cucumber juice. We're not gonna salt the rim. All right, we got ice in our shaker, 2 ounces of Blanco Tequila, 1 ounce of our cucumber juice, 3/4 of an ounce of our lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce of our agave syrup, and 1/2 ounce of our Grand Marnier. Surprisingly, shake this one just normally for 30 seconds. And you can garnish these with a cucumber coin, but I like to do a full-on half. Doesn't even make any sense. Doesn't even go in. There we go. And that's a refreshing cucumber margarita. Oh, that is refreshing. Classic margarita, spicy margarita, refreshing cucumber margarita. Subscribe if you like the video. Ding that little bell for notifications as well. Smash that like button and then get smashed off these margaritas. And leave a comment below. Like, tell me how your day's going. If you guys want recipes to make pictures of margaritas, recipe in the description below along with the recipes we just did. Thank you guys for watching.